Welcome to A1 lesson 27. We're going to learn how to use much, many, a lot of, a little, a few. Those are quantifiers. Quantifiers, they tell us how much or how many of something there is, the available quantity. Like I have a lot of books, there is a little milk, he doesn't have much money. Let's understand quantifiers. We have much, many, a lot of, a little, a few. Much is used with uncountable nouns in negative and in questions. Like I don't have much money. How much milk do you drink? When we get into the use of many, we use many for countable nouns. Remember, we have learned uncountable nouns and countable nouns. Uncountable nouns, these are nouns we cannot count. And countable nouns, these are nouns which we can count, like 1, 2, 3, 4, like that. We use many in negative and questions. This is very important. We use much in negative and questions. We use many in negative and questions. I don't have many friends. How many apples do you eat? You see how we use it. How much milk do you drink? How many apples do you eat? A lot of is used for both countable and uncountable in positive sentences, which means if you want to use much, use it in negative and in questions. When it is positive, use a lot of. When you want to use many in negative and in questions. When you want to use it in positive, use a lot of. I have a lot of time. She has a lot of books. This is uncountable. This is countable. A little is used with uncountable nouns. Like I have a little sugar. Countable nouns, we use a few. Like I have a few friends. When do we use each quantifier? Much is used with uncountable, like I don't have much time. Remember, use it in negative and in questions. Many is used with countable nouns. She has many friends. Remember, we use it specifically in negative and in questions. And we shall see that we use it in positive when we want to make emphasis. A lot of can be used for both countable and uncountable. They have a lot of money, they have a lot of friends, like that. A few is used with countable nouns. I have a few pencils. A little is used with uncountable. There is a little juice. Let's see comparison between countable and uncountable nouns. Countable nouns, these are things we can count. Example, apples, books, friends, cars, pencils. Uncountable, these are things we cannot count. Individual, like milk, we can't count. Sugar, we can't count. Water, no. Money, no. Rice, no. Information, no. When we say this, when we are going to count these uncountable nouns, we use other measurements like kilograms, liters, currency like francs, US dollars, like that, so that we can be able to count. But when we don't use any other measurement, we cannot count. I have a few pencils. There isn't much water left. Quantity means amount of something. We have a small quantity of milk. Plenty means a large amount, a very large amount. There is plenty of chairs in the room. Few means not many. There are few students today. Little means not much. There is little water in the bottle. Enough means as much as needed. Enough means as much as needed. We have enough time to finish. Like we have huge or a lot of time. It's enough. Let's see examples in the context. I haven't many books. I have a few pencils. There aren't many chairs here. I don't have much sugar. We have a little milk in the fridge. How much water do you drink every day? I have a lot of friends. There is a lot of rice. Fill in the blanks here. There are dash apples in the basket. You're going to choose much, many, a lot of, a few, a little. There isn't dash dash milk in the bottle. She has dash dash friends at school. I have dash dash time to finish my homework. There are only dash dash chairs in the room. We're going to choose the best answers. You see, we have 5 quantifiers, we have 5 questions. We're going to choose the correct answer here. There isn't dash dash water. He has dash dash money. We need dash dash eggs. There are dash dash students in the class. Do you drink dash dash coffee? These sentences are wrong. You're just going to correct them. I don't have many money. She has a few sugar. There isn't much apples. There isn't much apples. They have a little friends. We have many time. Here we have a quiz. How dash dash sugar do you take? Here we are using take as in terms of drinking, because yeah, we put sugar in the drinks. So we are using take to represent drink. There are dash dash students in class. We don't have dash dash rice. He bought dash dash books yesterday. She has dash dash time to study. Thank you so much. I will see you in the next video.